Hi there, this is Derek Murphy of Creativity. Thanks for signing up at DIYbookcovers.com. Real quick, let me tell you what you're in store for. I've sent you some stuff by email, so check your inbox and you'll find some links to some bonus material, a few free books about publishing and book marketing that are really useful. This site gets a lot of traffic because a lot of people are searching for a solution on how to make their own book cover design, whether they're trying to publish something easily on Amazon or KDP, or even just print something out at home like a family memoir or journal. There are some resources to help you to get started more easily without using Photoshop. Originally, that meant I had tried to make some tutorials so that you could learn how to make cover designs in Microsoft Word, which is tricky, but the value is that it's a software that you already probably are used to. It's not the perfect solution for book cover design, but with the free package of templates and the videos that I've put out, you should be able to get a handle on it and make yourself something pretty simple. If, however, you want to try to publish a commercial book that gets a lot of sales and earns some revenue, some passive income from your book sales, the cover really is going to be the most important part. So I do have a master package of templates, which you can get down below, which comes with a lot more options for different genres, different font recommendations, and I've also started to add some more advanced features with Photoshop. For example, even if you don't feel comfortable in Photoshop, you can download the free Photoshop trial and get started using my Photoshop templates and possibly make something a little bit more advanced, especially for sci-fi or fantasy, something with more depth, the magic or the glow. There's some things that you can do in more advanced programs that you can't do in Microsoft Word. I used to have a book cover design tool that I made, but it was in Flash, which no longer exists. I will try to make something similar, or I'll make some tutorials for other software like Canva or other solutions. The idea of this website is to try to give you more options, but the value is really in the theory. No matter what kind of program you're using, you have to understand what makes a good book cover. Why does one book cover sell more or attract an audience better than another one? So the videos are really important. A lot of that stuff is free, even if you just go through the free material. But if you want a faster leg up and more design options, you can check out the master package. And because I know that you're going to need a lot more stuff than just the cover, even though the cover is really important, for a limited time, if you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of bonuses. I've made a lot of different courses to help authors with all the things that they need to learn, getting more book reviews, self-editing their book, building another website, marketing, promotion. There's a lot of other stuff that might not be on your radar yet if you're just thinking about book design and publishing, but soon enough, it's going to become really important once you've got your book out there and you're trying to reach more readers. So this is kind of just a bundle deal where you can get a whole lot of access to a bunch of courses that have been really useful. I sell a lot of these. I've got a pretty big platform, but I want to give them all to you just so that you get everything at once and you can always use it whenever you need it. If that sounds good, fine. If it doesn't, you can click down below and go straight to the free resources. Watch the videos, see if this stuff works for you. I do have other options available later if you decide later that you need more help, but you'll never get this price and this many bonuses again. So think about it and see if that works for you. If not, I hope my free resources help you solve some problems. I will be sending some emails with a lot of other stuff. I have so much content, and a lot of people are really eager to find that my emails are better or offer more value than what a lot of other people are promising online. I tend to over deliver. I have too much content, but I want you to get all of the stuff that you're going to need, because I know that publishing can be a very frustrating space with a lot of scammy, predatory author services. I tend to make too many things. I package them really cheap because I want you to get real solutions and real value, as opposed to other people who are charging so much more money for courses that I feel under deliver. And I think you really need to focus on spending more money on the things that matter, spending less money on the things that don't, and seeing profit as fast as possible, because most authors never make a profit with their books. And I really want to help you to make a living with your writing so that you can focus on doing more writing and focusing on the writing rather than all the other stuff that can be a distraction. Anyway, hope that helps. Feel free to send me an email or follow me on YouTube or the Guerrilla Publishing Facebook group, where I also share a lot of other kinds of value and stuff. Let me know about your book if you feel so inclined. Best of luck. Bye-bye.